Anthony's Market Grill is not an easy place to spot. You might say it's kind of hidden, tucked away between the sprawling horse farms and polo fields outside of Houston. But locals know it all right, and they love it.
Just an excellent place to come, meet up with friends.
Anthony's oozes Southern hospitality.
Everybody here is friendly, fun, outgoing.
A home away from home.
It's our chuck wagon. We work all day and then we come in here and have dinner and have a nice drink.
This is the American dream for owner Anthony Decker. A dream he started chasing when he was a young boy living in Holland. There, American TV programs captured his attention. Cowboy shows were his favorite.
Why the USA?
It's the promised land. It's the land of milk and honey.
He settled here in Simonton, a small town nestled on the banks of the Brazos River, a place where horses and cattle far outnumber the people.
I'm more of a conservative guy, and that's why I moved to Texas. That's something that really appealed to me.
His restaurant dishes up a whole lot of that Texas pride with great fun and Southern comfort food cooked over an open fire.
I hear you're kind of a nut when it comes to fire. You like the flames.
I like to play with fire.
Dig in to delicate bacon-wrapped quail, stuffed with Monterey Jack cheese and mesquite-grilled jalapenos.
It's always over the top fantastic.
A smoked Berkshire pork shank with Cajun fried mac and cheese and braised bacon collard greens. Or try this juicy wood-grilled pork chop with scratch-made applesauce on a mass of creamy mashed potatoes.
I can't think of anything I've had that I didn't like.
There's lots of wines to choose from and a creative collection of cocktails too.
Oh, that's good.
It's not just the food and the drinks that keep people coming back. With a fire pit, live music, and fresh country air, this place is packed every night of the week.
We're here maybe once, twice, 3 times a week. This is our 3rd time this week.
We're obsessed with our guests. We love our guests.
Anthony's Texas pride and American patriotism can be seen throughout the restaurant.
So many men and women have died for that flag and given their lives. I will always do everything I can in my power, in our power, to support those families and fallen soldiers.
That big heart is a big draw for Anthony's guests.
My parents always told me, son, treat everybody like it's your family. Make them happy.
One surefire way to keep them happy is this: his legendary wood-fired shrimp and grits with an unbelievably delicious bacon bourbon marmalade.
Well, then my go-to is always the shrimp and grits, never disappointing.
This is our most famous dish. Last year we sold over 6,000.
6,000 orders?
The lip-smacking marmalade starts with applewood smoked bacon, onions, and garlic.
I call bacon is kind of the duct tape of the kitchen, right? It works with everything.
That is so true.
Fixes everything.
I like that.
Next comes the bourbon.
There we go. Wow.
The secret ingredient is specially brewed for Anthony's.
Cinnamon coffee, we call it cowboy coffee.
Molasses pumps up the flavor even more.
Adds a little richness to it, right?
And then last but not least, America's favorite, ketchup.
Ketchup. Now, has that ketchup become one of your favorites too?
Yeah, ketchup is good.
Once the flavors combine, that magical marmalade is spooned over wood-fired shrimp and a pile of creamy Asiago cheese grits.
Delish. You get some bacon?
That'd be nice with a little bourbon.
A little bourbon would be great. Would you like one?
Southern comfort food, Southern generosity, and Southern pride. This place has it all.
Anthony's is definitely a gem.
Food is great, the drinks are great, service is good atmosphere.
It's like a hug fest when we get here because we know everybody, they know us.
This is a home away from home, good spirit. Thank you, man. God bless Texas.